Okay, so this is my analog electronics project. It is an auto panning reverb. By auto pan, I just mean it's like a tremolo, like a stereo tremolo, so that it sounds like the sound is moving from the right speaker to the left, to the right, to the left, blah, 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 blah. Yes. And so just going through all the controls, here's your input gain, here is low pass, high pass going into the reverb. This is the rate of the auto pan, like how fast it's going. This is the depth of the auto pan, and this is a mix knob. I couldn't get the mix section working because when I tried to put a linear pot to fade between the dry and the wet signal, it wasn't really working for me for whatever reason. Like it would get really quiet in the middle, which doesn't really make sense, but whatever, it's fine. This right now is a, it's just like a summing amplifier, summing the dry and wet signals, and it goes from like roughly 40% wet to 60% wet, which is like, at least for me, what I find is the sweet spot. And so this is what it sounds like, and I'm just gonna touch all the knobs. So this is getting more wet, less wet, this is the depth. So I don't know if you can, this comes across on the camera, but it's going from left to right to left to right to left to right. And this controls how fast it's going. Here you can, just from a visual standpoint, you can see those LEDs moving. Unfortunately, it doesn't really work at this much brightness, but because it cuts the volume of it too much. And unfortunately, my shadow is making things darker and brighter. This is the input gain. And as you can see, it's going quieter. And now it's getting louder again. Sorry, I just hit the thing. This is your low pass. So as I turn this, you can hear no signals coming through. You can still hear the dry signal because the dry signal is coming from before the low pass section. And this is the high pass. As you can hear, there's no sound. You can hear there's not that much low end. Unfortunately, I don't have any way to stereo record this as of right now because I don't have any way to split this audio jack into two and then plug that into an interface. So unfortunately, there's no better audio quality than from my phone, but trust me, it sounds pretty good and I'm very happy with how it sounds. I also very much enjoy just like slapping these. Big fan, very fun. Okay, thank you, and I hope you have a good day, I guess. Okay, whatever.